Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this has been 3 weeks too freaking long, y'all. And this morning, well today, they had a 2-hour delay. Hold on, y'all, I don't want to fall here. It's still ice and stuff, but my girls are finally going to school. Say hi.
Hi.
Tina, say hi.
Somebody dropped their stuff.
Uh-oh.
It better not be Monica's. Oh,
It's black.
that's Monica's.
Get it. You sure?
Yup. She was wearing that at the house.
But yeah, well, that's good. Want to get on the ice real quick? Go, go, go.
I got 2 just in case my stomach hurts. Mom, look, we've been jumping.
She be selling on herself. Yeah, you guys, but they had 2 weeks off for Christmas, and then the whole snow thing happened. So all last week they didn't have school. So I am super excited for them to be going back to school today.
Came true, because he said,
what was the girl too?
Mom, look. That's a rock. That's a rock.
Come on. But yeah, y'all, so we are on the way. Why would you kick that?
She kicked a rock.
To the bus stop. Then I'm going to start cleaning the house.
No. Because like we always slide.
Huh?
Walk back there.
We always slide. When we go to
Why? Yeah, why would you? Did you almost fall?
No.
She almost fell. But yeah, y'all, so hopefully they didn't miss the bus though, because I don't see their friends. Maybe they not going to school because it's the delay.
We have to be at the bus at 10 o'clock.
I know. No, the bus would be here at 10.
Mom, he's fine because he's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he still should be out here.
Yeah, y'all, but
No, he's back in.
oh, I thought she fell. Yeah, y'all, but I'm taking them. Then I'm gonna probably clean my living room.
Yeah, that's what I can do.
And then the kitchen.
My socks keep coming down. Hold on.
So yeah, y'all, this is just gonna be a little vlog because I don't feel like doing another cooking video right now. Give me her look, y'all, she's swinging it on the freaking floor. Why didn't Monica notice she dropped it?
She's probably hoping that nobody picked it up.
Alright, y'all, but I'll be back after they get on the bus and I'll be in the house. Hold on, you guys, I gotta show y'all something because y'all know it was a storm, right? But look at this.
Yeah. No, that right here, all the way in the front.
The tree broke. The snowstorm was so strong.
Tina, we have
And the winds was so crazy.
like right
Yeah.
here. Like right here. And the tree broke into this whole area right here. And I have to cut it down. Look, can I touch that? I
So,
want to touch it.
huh?
I want to touch it.
That's sap. No, I don't think so. But so the tree fell down that way. So it came up from the ground, you guys. Let me show y'all. Look at that. I'm kind of low-key scared to go over there, but you guys see. And you can tell, like, the ground came up, you guys. The ground came up. That's crazy. But we be back. Okay, guys. I finally got back to the house. This is like 30 minutes later because apparently I guess we was out there too early. So, whatever. This is the living room. That's what I'm about to clean up. Hold on. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna clean up real quick, you guys. I guess I can show y'all while I clean up. Yeah, but I'm just gonna sweep the floor, move the chairs and stuff, sweep under there. So it's really not a lot for real. Y'all can't even see the floor, but it's okay. I'm gonna get some carpet for the floor because y'all, it's so stupid. I used to love hardwood floors, but living here makes me not like them. So I'm gonna get some carpet so that we can just have carpet. But you guys, I will be back when I get done cleaning. And I also got to take the pillowcases off of these because it is not Christmas no more, but I'll be back. Okay, guys, I said I wasn't going to clean the kitchen, but look, y'all, I cleaned the kitchen. I was working on the living room, then I came over here, and then I'm like, let me clean this darn kitchen. So this is how the kitchen is looking. Now I have to get back to cleaning this. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know I'm still going. Okay, y'all, so I forgot to get this. So the bathroom is clean. The dustpan. I have to get the dustpan. The living room, dining room. Y'all, I'm tired. I just had to carry 3 bags of trash and my back hurt so bad. Like, it was old cans that was expired or whatnot. But yeah, so table, I still gotta wipe it off though because it still got stuff on it. And then living room is clean. Let me wipe the table off though, you guys. And look, I got that little thing right there. The other little thing right there. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. On the road to 4K. Help me get there, help me win. Right now, I'm going to sit over here. It's dark, y'all. I ain't turning the light back on. But this is my belly massager thing. And it has the red light therapy. So you put this on your stomach and it massages your stomach. Like, I used to do my back as well. Not my back, but my shoulders, because my shoulders be sore. But yeah, but this is my workstation. So after I do this, I'm gonna grab some food because it's like, I don't know if y'all can see. It's 1:21. So I gotta get lunch after I do this. So yeah, y'all. Later, I'm gonna edit this video after I eat, and then I'm gonna get to my studies and stuff. But later, you guys, I'm sleepy. I might have to take a nap, and then I don't know, y'all. I said I was hanging up from y'all, but hold on. I've been doing this challenge, right, where you wear a waist trainer for 10 plus hours a day. And you see that thing over there, y'all? I've been getting on there. But now I'm just adding the red light to my workout, y'all. Because by summertime, this belly... Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. By summertime, this belly needs to be going. Y'all, I look like I'm sweating because I am. This was a workout. I wanted to make sure everything was clean, though. These girls, when they walk through that door right there, they going straight to their room with their book bags and stuff. I don't care. Their room can look dirty all they want. But as long as the living room, dining room, bathroom, kitchen, and my room is clean, whatever, they can destroy their room and the laundry room. I can shut those doors. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go do this and then go get some food. I think, when was it? 7 o'clock? I ate at 7 o'clock. I had scrambled eggs. So yeah, I'm hungry now. But this waist trainer, I don't know if I told y'all, but I have to keep this waist trainer on until June 11th because that's my husband's birthday. So I want to see how flat my stomach can get by June 11th without... I'm trying to stay away from starchy food, but if I do eat starchy food, then an hour after I get on my little shaky thing and it kills 100 calories. So but I've been doing the waist trainer thing for like, this is the second week. Yeah, this is the second week, and my stomach is gooey and stuff, y'all. And usually when it gets to that phase, it means I need to do something to tighten the skin on my stomach. So yeah, y'all. I need to buy some tighten cream. I got this right here, slimming cream, but I need one to tighten my belly because don't nobody want no saggy belly wearing a bikini in the summertime. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go because this video gonna be long as crap if I keep talking. I'm about to, like I already said, y'all, I'm about to do this, go get something to eat, and then after I eat, I'm going to edit the video, then get on the shaky thing, and then do some of my work for today, y'all. So, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what's pretty good, help me get there, help me win. My house is clean. Later, y'all.